All right, so this is our 15 STI on summer tires in a good, I want to say, what would you say, 3 to 5 inches of snow?
Sure.
Sure. So it's not the best thing to be doing, but I'm no beginner. I'm pretty sure you guys could see the road. It's pretty crazy out right now.
It's still snowing.
We won't go up that hill.
Yeah, don't do that to me.
So far so good. I'm surprised at, I mean, this thing has traction control and it's so much different than my 06, but I mean, I'm on the stock Dunlops and this thing is going straight. It's not, you know, veering off or anything crazy. And I'm going about 25 miles an hour, and this is mostly downhill, so that's why I'm going slow. But I also don't have great stopping power because the Brembos might be great, but the tires aren't suited for these conditions, so we're going to take it easy. But I am surprised that this car is just making it through all this. I mean, I'm not sure if you can hear it through the GoPro, but there is, you know, a good amount of noise coming underneath the car as far as what we're running over. I'm surprised at how well this car is fucking handling right now. Alright, so let's see how it does stopping. I mean, I'm going 17 miles an hour. Yeah, it wants to slide a little bit. That's normal. That's expected out of summer tires. There we go, a little sliding. You can hear the tires gripping, wanting to grip. That's that traction control. That's pretty crazy. They did a pretty good job with this car. The fact that I'm going 30 miles an hour down a road here in a 15 STI with stock Dunlops, and I'll try to get a picture of them so you guys don't think I'm lying. Sorry, I'm just so amazed that it's doing. I mean, I've owned 6 Subarus, so it's like whatever, but it's just, I don't know, everybody thinks like I'm crazy for wanting to drive this car in the snow.
I don't think you're crazy, I'm just nervous.
That's because
It's me.
yes. Hello, it's you. And we're only going down the road. What would you say, like less than a mile?
No,
Half a
it's
mile?
at least 2 miles.
No, I would say a mile maybe at most.
No.
Okay, maybe 2 miles. Yeah, maybe 2 miles. And I mean, look at this thing trucking. I'm going 31 miles an hour. This is what, a 35, 40 mile per hour road?
Over here, yes. Up ahead, I think it's 30.
I mean, come on, seriously. Do you think it was going to act this good in the
No,
snow?
I actually thought it was going to be scary.
You were like, she said, I'm putting my foot down. You're not taking the STI out. So this one's for you, ZJ Motovlogs, since you asked me where the Blue Beast is at. Here it is. Oh, this is definitely all fresh snow. More fun for us. Woohoo! Someone was definitely here. Should probably check traction.
Whoa, wait.
I see the item.
Okay, because I couldn't see it. Okay, so we're going uphill now. Let's see. Can we make it? Subaru power. No grip. But it's fun to slide.
Cold as hell.
Yeah, they're slipping and sliding. Too much torque for you. Okay, come on. Make it straight. Make it straight. We're just gonna go sideways the whole way home. As I make my girlfriend nervous.
Actually, no. The Impreza made me nervous earlier.
We are gonna make it up this hill.
We are. Get it. Just don't get stuck like the other guy.
Dude, he's got front wheel drive. I got all wheel drive. It's all up.